Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Interactive Brokers demo account. First, you'll want to access your paper trading account, which is available through the client portal. This allows you to practice trading strategies and explore the platform without risking any real capital. You can experiment with various asset classes, including stocks, options, and futures, and get comfortable with all the powerful tools and features Interactive Brokers offers. It's a fantastic way to build confidence before live trading. Once inside your demo account, take some time to explore the Trader Workstation, or TWS, interface. You can customize your workspace by adding or removing widgets to suit your trading style. Utilize the real-time market data to analyze price movements and identify potential opportunities. Practice placing simulated orders for various securities, such as buying 100 shares of a stock or selling 10 options contracts. This hands-on experience is invaluable for learning the system. The demo account is perfect for developing and refining your trading strategies. Experiment with different order types, such as limit orders to buy at a specific price or stop orders to limit potential losses. Closely monitor your simulated portfolio's performance and analyze your trade executions to understand what works and what doesn't. You can even explore advanced features, like setting up algorithmic trading strategies, all within a risk-free environment. This iterative process helps sharpen your skills. Before transitioning to a live account, thoroughly review your demo account performance metrics. It's important to understand that while paper trading is excellent for practice, there can be psychological differences when real money is involved. Ensure you are completely comfortable with all platform functions and your chosen strategies. When you feel fully prepared and confident, you can then proceed to fund your live Interactive Brokers account and begin your actual trading journey. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.